Hey, how you doing, guys? So I thought I'd do a video today talking about kind of the high ticket stuff, but the dark side of high ticket. And that when you have to say to somebody, you just missed a $1,500 commission and it's my fault. So what do I mean by that? So I used to be scared to even mention the higher end opportunity stuff to people. And then I had a couple of situations actually in the past, not with this particular, not with Power Lead System, but with other things where I would get a pass up sale, right? So I would be promoting a lot of businesses out there. It's a common kind of thing. Think about Apple, they get you hooked on an iPhone and then maybe you buy a MacBook and then you get the iMac and, it's a common sort of, there's a progression, there's kind of the more entry level, and then you can go all the way up to the most expensive thing they sell, iPad Pros and all that costs a fortune, don't they? But so it's usually an online business, you have something that's low end that isn't so much of a risk to people. So they come in and they give it a go, and then hopefully they like what they see, and that, then they get everything else. In actual fact, there's a lot of people switch that on its head. They turn it around and they only promote the higher ticket stuff. They don't bother with the small stuff if there's something there. Some businesses are only high ticket. Now, there is kind of a good and bad, I guess, and there's no 100% right or wrong. But what I can tell you is if you are in an opportunity like Power Lead System that does have something from $7 one time, right, all the way up, you should definitely check out everything because I've been in a situation where I've got a pass up sale and my customer has contacted me to say, I've just got an email saying I've just lost like $1,000 was one of them. I've lost 1,000. It says I didn't make $1,000 sale. What's this about? And then I have to explain it's the higher end product that I was too scared to tell them about because I didn't think anybody would buy it. People do buy it, right? So it's okay. So then you got that really kind of double edge, you know, it's great because I just got $1,000 commission, but it also is horrible because that person missed out on it, right? So I don't want anybody to miss out. So I got over my fear of the high ticket, realizing that number one, if it's there, people do buy it, right? Doesn't matter what it is, people buy them, right? So it makes sense to position yourself in that way. And then the other thing is, I mean, let's do a bit of calculator work. If I want to make $1,000 a month and I'm selling something that is $20, right? I ought to be able to do this. It's 50 in it. I need to make 50 sales a month, right, of something that's $20. If I want to make $1,000 a month and I got something that is a $1,500 commission, now I only need to sell like one every other month to give me where I need to be. One ticket of something that pays a $1,500 commission is 18 grand a year. Okay. And what you'll find is if you're not already there, and you have to trust me on this, it's not actually any extra work because people see that, people understand that. The only difference is maybe you explain to them that it's there, and if you want to make 3K a month, you need two sales. You need two sales of something that pays a $1,500 commission, or right, you need to make 100 sales of something that pays a $20 commission. Right now, where I think PLS is great, and some other businesses as well, but PLS, Home Business Academy, have something that's higher, not as high as that. But Power Lead System is great because all what makes up the high ticket is made up of other programs that people can buy individually. Now, I was explaining to somebody earlier the monthly residual we get from IM Academy with the gold membership, the AI Automation Academy, which, by the way, there's a cracking webinar. I'm waiting for the replays to land about how to make chatbots, AI powered chatbots, right? But that's another video. But you know, even if we had never sold an all in, we're now making a recurring commission, right? That means we would have paid for that higher ticket commission many times over, right? So you get what I'm saying? It's like even if you position yourself with all of the products and go all in, not only it's like $700 saving, I think you save $700, you don't pay the monthly for 3 months. So you save that way, okay? But even if you didn't make the all-in sale, you can sell lots of the smaller ones. And there's like from $7 to $54 to $99 to various ones in between that not so many people buy because they see it doesn't make sense to go for that. You might as well go for the all-in package. Now, if you are interested in kind of making that kind of, higher ticket income with a system that's already done, it gets better. Why does it get better? The owner of the business will speak to prospects for us. That means, I've been in online business a long time, and I don't like speaking to people. I'm more than confident. I'm more than happy to do it. I'd rather spend my time helping and teaching and training. When it comes to the products, what I love about this is if 100 people contact the owner from my leads, I know all of those people are being looked after. Who knows that business better, me or the owner of the business, right? It's not a sales call. He just answers questions and he explains what it is. And some people say no, but most people say yes once they understand it. Now, what it means is all of those 100 people, let's say, that I send, I know they're getting the exact right information. It's impossible for me to overhype it because they're speaking to the owner of the business. And also, the other good thing is there are solutions to spread the cost. There's finance available now if you're in the US, and there's a way of split payment as well, which the owner of the business can do. Now, the third benefit of all that is, of course, it frees my time. Right? Totally frees my time to do videos like this. I've just been shopping at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I went off to go do some shopping. Frees my time up, and I would rather make I kind of promote all things, but I'm positioned at the higher level with Eric, my business partner. We're positioned at the higher level because it is so much easier if you want to make a decent commission to be getting those all ins. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave, right, a link around this video in the description. And what it's going to be for the for our special funnel for the gold membership. You can take a 7-day trial, and when you take your 7-day trial, right, I want you to get in, and I want you to, if you're interested, just speak with Neil. You can book a call, Neil, the owner. You can book a call right from the back office. So I don't, you're getting the right information. See if it's for you or not, and ask for advice on how to market it and stuff like that. Neil's full of good advice. There's 4 coaching sessions a week as well to help you. 4. I do one on a Tuesday with Eric, and we usually have a guy called Matthew on as well. So there's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday. 4 coaching sessions to help you grow your business. You might as well be positioned, right? In fact, I would say, to close this video out, the value that you get, even if you never made a sale, is worth it if you think about it. Okay, with the coaching, help you grow any business you like. And you don't want to be in that situation I was in where I have to explain it's my fault you didn't make the commission because I didn't tell you about it, right? It's horrible, trust me. All right, so let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you click the link, go and take your free trial, absolutely free for 7 days. So go and check your trial. Speak with Neil if you're interested. Reach out to me if I can answer any questions, but I would advise you go and check it out so you can see what you're getting for yourself. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. Speak soon. Bye.